welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm bringing you a Valentine's Day breakfast. So I will be making Valentine's Day churros. So without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients that you will need to make this is a loaf of bread of your choice. I'm just using a white toast bread, vanilla, and I will have the recipe link down below for all the measurements, cinnamon, chocolate chips, these are milk, brown sugar, white sugar, milk, some butter. I am using coconut oil for cooking, and 4 eggs. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat my griddle. Now I'm going to mix my brown sugar and my cinnamon. And now I'm going to beat together the eggs. I'm going to add milk, the granulated sugar, and vanilla. I'm going to set it aside and get my bread ready. Because I'm making this as Valentine's, I will also be using a heart-shaped cookie cutter. You can adjust this for anything you're making. So I'm going to oil my griddle. So you take 2 pieces of bread, add some chocolate chips, close it up. Take a fork and press it out. And then I'm going to dip it for about 5 seconds on each side. Put it on a hot griddle. And now I'm gonna repeat this with all the rest of my bread. So you take it off and you dip it into the cinnamon sugar. Here it is, all done, and I drizzled it with some melted chocolate. Just melted some chocolate chips in a microwave and serving it with a side of strawberries. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to consider pressing the subscribe button and notification bell. So all of you returning, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your constant support. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.